we're back and we are now in Sorrento after, I would say, a third, maybe 40-minute car ride. I kind of fell asleep going to Positano, so I didn't really see how much zigzaggy there was. The roads are very twisty and windy. So if you're prone to car sickness, you probably will get car sick. But beautiful drive. Anyway, we're now in Sorrento. From here, we're gonna check out Pompeii and then take the ferry to Capri tomorrow. This is our Airbnb for the next 3 nights. I'll do a little tour. There's everyone. So this one actually has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, which is huge. So the bathroom, here's my mom's room, living room area, there's a kitchen, there's a balcony out there. Here's another room with a bathtub, the bathroom, and here's 3rd bedroom. And this has also a bathroom. So it's very spacious. So if you're coming here with a big group, this is an ideal place just because there's so much room. You can fit a lot of people in here, and 3 bathrooms. So makes it easy to get ready. You won't have to be waiting on each other. Let me show you outside. So this is the view. We have a neighbor, so I guess we all share this balcony. To come back in. There's someone, our neighbor. Oh no, I just went in right away. So we were gonna go to Pompeii today. We'll see. Or we might just hang out here, probably walk around. So this is our home and I will show you guys around Sorrento. Oh my gosh, I feel like such a dork. Because Will had told us that the balcony was shared, but I misunderstood someone right next door. And so I thought he meant that we were sharing the balcony, but this whole balcony is actually ours. It was Will. So when I went out earlier and I thought there was someone there and I came in right away, it turns out it was my own husband. So I'll show you guys outside. So this is our balcony. This is my mom's room in there. And then, so this is the living room. This is our room. This is a little balcony.
There's a nice breeze out here.
Huh? Yeah, it is. It feels good up here. Train tour. They give you disposable headphones to listen to, like a recording. Quick tour of Sorrento.
We do white truffle.
White truffle. He's finishing me off with truffle.
This one.
You're gonna get any?
Gnocchi, ravioli. Which one?
This is
So good.
It's good on eggs. One.
very good.
Good morning. Happy Tuesday. We're in Sorrento. Our first full day. We are headed down to the port from our Airbnb. It's like a 15-minute walk for a tour, a boat tour, and then to explore Capri. Wow. So we're walking down this way to get down there. Just gonna follow this path.
please lie down. Feet to the opposite side. Ready?
Kaya. Kaya, wait, yung puso ko. Ganyan, Grace. Kaya.
Don't worry. Get up, ladies and gentlemen. And look behind you.
Well. Babe, you survived.
I know. You can go there.
We survived the chairlift.
A legend would the lovers ever to change the keys when we pass into the moon and the love. It's a rock. The legend is saying if you do that